Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode in Realme Narzo Power. First of all, open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on sounds and vibration, click on Do Not Disturb. First of all, turn on this button. After turning on this button, scroll down, click on calls and messages. Now here you will see four options: none, everyone, contacts, favorite contacts. Select that you want. After selecting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Select app that you want. After selecting app, turn on this button. After turning on this button, app in the exceptions list are allowed to interput do not disturb. This is how you can use do not disturb mode in a Realme Narzo Power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.